What is good, YouTube? It's your boy Steven coming back with another banger, man. Guys, if you didn't subscribe to the YouTube channel already, please subscribe because you're going to miss those daily bangers. And also, click the notify button to always be notified whenever I post a new video, guys. But let's get into the video. 10 weird moments caught on doorbell camera. Let's check it out. See what's about to happen. That bunny doing? What the fuck? Yo, imagine you at work, right? And you get an alert on your phone. And you see a damn a deer running to your damn doorstep through the through the camera app, bro. Yeah, that shit. What the fuck? That shit fucking beating whatever. Yo, why the lady just run butt naked outside though? Dang, she bad as shit. Shit, walk on my doorstep like that.
Woo! Oh my gosh, there's a kid. Oh crap!
Damn. Yo, is that a beer? The fuck that dog trying to do? Eat the camera? Whoa, buddy! Oh, shit! Bro, he's just freaking calmly sitting there, bro. Wow, there's a damn squirrel in his fucking head. Oh, nah. Ah, nah, we can't do none of that, bro. Hell no. I'll be shitting my pants. Oh, shit. Hey, come back here with the package. Yo, did my man just steal someone's package? No. I'm telling you, yo, that's why that new that camera it's called that ring camera, whatever. It's an app that you download on your phone and you can control it while you're at work or whatever. You can see the camera from your phone or whatever. It's decent, man. That's what's important. You can see whatever that be happening, bro. Look. It's like a virtual type of camera. Oh shit, she climbed on the photo. She's bitching on a dog. Is that a dog or a cat?
Holy crap!
Yo, my man was doing a Superman, bro. He dived in like if it was a pool. You dumb. See, it's called a ring. That's what it's called. The camera.
Are you okay?
I'm okay. Yo, what the fuck? Yo, that's funny as shit, guys. Yo, guys, if you want to see more reaction videos, man, comment down below. Give me a video. Yo, God, let's get me to 100 subscribers, man. We could do this together, man. If you want to be a part of the journey, all you got to do for me is subscribe. Show the kids some love, man. I'm going to give y'all good content, man. For real. This is what I'm here for, right? But, yo, if you're having a productive day filled with positivity, man, good for you, man. I'm happy for you. Continue being great, what you do, man. And I'm going to catch you in the next video, though, man. It's your boy, Steven Vasquez. Peace out.